अपना घरात येवपी भुरगीं हांगा मजा करपाक येनात तेन्ना हांगा येवपी प्रत्येकाक बरी वागणूक आनी बऱ्यो सुविधा मेळोवन दिवपाक सरकार यत्नशील आसा अशें बायलां आनी भुरगीं उदरगत खात्याचे मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयल्यात. अपना घराचे रेन्युवेशन केल्ले इमारतीचे उक्तावण केले उपरांत तो मुखार उलयतालो. ह्या वेळार पणजेचो आदलो आमदार सिद्धार्थ कुंकळकार, सीसीपी कमिशनर आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आसले. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
There's no interaction between the staff or the NGOs involved, and I am now, Honorable Chief Minister, is of the opinion that we need to apply our mind and ensure that we involve more NGOs and people into this so that we are able to run this facility in a proper manner. Right from the State Women Commission to each and every organization that is there, each and every committee that is there, we'll interact with each committee, understand what their problems are, what are the functional issues they're having, and also the staff. Be rest assured that there will be interaction. Today is a little bit tight, so I will not spend much time, but I will come separately and spend time with you to understand what all problems you are facing, what all are the issues that you have. Lots is being said, lots is being spoken about Apnagar, about children running away, but I don't think this premises is being so beautifully built. Environment also is created. I think this must be one of the finest projects. Honorable Chief Minister has taken up this on himself, and our chairman also has been kind enough. Vice chairman also has, my colleague Mr. Kumpurivel is also here. This is a project actually which was to be inaugurated by the Chief Minister. So I had sent the file to him. You would have actually been happy to see the progress of something that was conceptualized by him. And more than 5.5 crores of rupees has been spent by GSIDC and the Chief Minister's, the government headed by Shri Manoj Parrikar, to provide the best of facilities for the children who reside in Apnagar.
आज आम्ही हांगायल्या आपल्या घरात ह्या उक्तावण सोहळ्याक आनंद जाता. हांगा हें काम पळयलां GSIDC. ह्या कामाक 7 crore स्पेंड केल्ले आसा आनी खरेंच हें काम पळयल्यार हेका इजी मेंटेनन्स अशें काम आसा. एका फुडें मेंटेनन्साक सोयीचें काम केलां, सुंदर काम केलां आनी ही जी पोरणी इमारत आसा आपल्या घरांतली हें सुंदरशें रेन्युवेशन हांगसर केल्लें आसा. ते बद्दल हांव GSIDCच्या स्टाफाक आनी खास करून वुमन एंड चायल्ड सगळ्यांनी हेका कॉपरेट केलां आनी हें काम आज एक सुंदर जालां.
जेन्ना एक डिस्टर्ब चायल्ड ह्या आपल्या घरांत येता तेन्ना खंय तरी त्या भुरग्याक एक थोडोसो सपोर्ट मेळटो, एक कंड्युसीव एनवायरमेंट मेळटो टू रिहॅबिलिटेट, बिकॉज नोबडी इज डिस्टर्ब फॉर एवर. एक इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर वायज एक बरें कंड्युसीव एनवायरमेंट मेळचें. नाजाल्यार आमी पयलींच्या अपनागर जर पळयल्लें जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता इट वॉज इन अ व्हेरी बॅड शेप. बट our chairman's initiative, entire team has worked, Honorable Minister has strongly supported, and he's got very good views about the whole concept of Apnagar. He wants to take it to a next higher level, and I think this is just the beginning of this new initiative.